嘿，大家好，我叫石老师。今天我们要学12个很有用的字。第一个字呢，觉，觉，much like to think or to feel. 觉. This character means to determine or to decide. What we have there, those two lines on the left, ice. We had three dots and they solidified into two pieces. And that piece on the right, well, it doesn't have a solid meaning that will be relevant to us. So for now, we'll just learn it as 觉, to determine or to decide. Now, if we replace the ice with a piece of dirt, we have 快, 快, piece, or a piece of something. This is a measure word. 快. If we replace the dirt with a heart, again, 快, 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 快. Now, a determined heart moves quickly. This character means fast or quick. 快. And lastly for this set, if we add bamboo to the top of our 快, we get 快. 快. This character means chopsticks, the fastest bamboo on earth. A Chinese person with chopsticks eating rice. Now, you made no mistake, all three of those are pronounced 快. Same tone, same pronunciation. Now, our next four characters are all based upon this. Yo. Yo. Much like friend, which actually contains this character, or to have, but with a falling tone. Yo. This character has many meanings. Its primary meaning is right hand, classically. However, we will use it to say both an adjective or quality and another adjective or quality. We'll talk more about this use in our grammar section. But for now, yo. Now, if we put a little dot inside of our yo, we have cha, cha, fork, or to intersect, like how a fork intersects with food. Cha, ch, cha. If we take away that dot and add 3 drops of water, han, han. So you would probably know this as the Han people, right? That's exactly what this character is. Han means people of the Han ethnicity, or things having to do with the Han ethnicity. For instance, all of these characters are Han Zi, the Han people's characters. Now, our last character for this set. 对. 对. Correct. Or to be facing. The to be facing meaning of this character we will save for a later class. For now, as you've probably heard me say, 对 simply means correct. Oh, 对对对对对, or 不对, that's not right. 对, correct. We have 4 additional characters, the first of which, ding, ding, like ding dong, ding. This character means fixed or determined. It'll usually be used with other characters. Ding. Next. 钱. 钱. Money. We have gold on the left and a dagger on the right, breaking up our gold into currency. 钱. 乐. Le. This character means delight or pleasure. It's pronounced just like the completion particle, but with a falling tone. Le, also used for happiness. And lastly, guo. Guo. Pronounced very similar to country, but with a falling tone. Guo. This character means to experience, rather, to have experienced before, more on that in our grammar, or to pass, as in time, to pass time, to spend time doing something, or spend time with someone. We use guo. That is all for our characters. 今天第一个词决定 to decide and determine. This means simply to decide, the action of deciding something. 决定一定 definite. The one and determined don't really add up well, but this means definite or fixed. So for something to have this kind of certainty to it. 一定 Next, 3块钱 3 pieces of money. This is how you would say $3 or 3 currency for whatever country you were in. We say 3 pieces of money. 3块钱 Now, if somebody's rich, you can say they are 有钱 to have money or rich. 有钱快乐 fast pleasure. This means happiness, or rather, the adjective of happy. 快乐 because it's the most fleeting emotion, so quick to go. 快乐 Next, 筷子 chopsticks thing. Chopsticks. 筷子 叉子 fork. 叉子 汉字 Han people, characters. The written language of Mandarin. Everything right here. 汉字对面 the correct or opposite face. Remember, 对 has another meaning which we will learn later and talk about in more detail. This word 对面 means the opposite or across from, facing, any of these concepts. 对面不对 not correct. Remember, 对 by itself simply means yes, accurate, correct. 不对 the opposite of that. 过生日 to pass by or spend time on the birthday. In English, we say, oh, I'm having a birthday next week, or I just had my birthday. In Chinese, you don't really have a birthday, like you don't 有 a birthday. We say 过 a birthday, to pass or to spend a birthday. And on this similar line of reasoning, we can say 过新年 to celebrate or to pass through the new year. 过新年 To make a real quick point, 过 can be used before almost any time phrase to make that point of like spending the time or passing the time. Next and last, 不过. The two characters, again, don't add up great to this, but the meaning is however or but. So this is a conjunction that expresses kind of a negative association. Yes, this, however, etc. 不过 That is all for our words. For today's grammar and sentences, we will first look at how to use 过 to express the meaning of having done something before. Then we'll look at 有 to express both an adjective and another adjective. And lastly, how to use 快要 to express the concept of something happening soon. So, 过. This character by itself, left to its own, means to pass by, to pass through, or to spend, as in to spend time, in a non-transactional way. Now, it has another functional usage as a grammar component. We can use it to express that something has happened or has been done before, or been, rather, experienced before. What does this mean? Well, I can say I go to China. I can say I went to China. But what if I want to say I have been to China before? That is a completely different meaning. It expresses experience. 过 will help us do that. Some basic rules. 过 expresses both the have and the before part of this construction. So we don't need to say 有 to make this meaning. Second, 过 will always come after the verb. Let's look at some examples. First, 你去过中国吗? You go before to China吗? Have you been to China before? Note, 过 right after the verb. 你去过中国吗? Another example. 你学过中文吗? You studied before Chinese吗? Have you studied Chinese before? 你学过中文吗? And our last example. 你用过筷子吗? You used before chopsticks吗? Have you used chopsticks before? If anyone ever asks you this, you're doing a really bad job. 你用过筷子吗? Now, if we want to say have never done before, it's really, really easy. We simply add a 没有, have not. It is the exact same as English. So have not gone before. 没有去过. Have not studied before. 没有学过. And have not used before. 没有用过. That is all for 过. Super straightforward. Just remember that the have and been are both right there by 过. You don't need to add anything else. Now, we can use 有 to express that two adjectives are the case. Now, use case for this, when would we actually say this? Well, if I wanted to say someone is both, let's say, tall and attractive, I would use this exact structure. For instance, 你又高又漂亮. You are both tall and pretty. Note, we do not use a 很 with this grammar. In fact, 又 serves as our intensifier, so no other intensifiers can be used. Let's look at another example. 你的男朋友又友好又有钱. Your boyfriend is both friendly and has money. Or rich. 你的男朋友又友好又有钱。And lastly, 这个电视剧又好看又出名。This TV show is both excellent or enjoyable to watch and very famous or well known. 出名 is simply another way to say 有名 or famous. Now you'll notice in all three of these examples, we have two separate adjectives. You'll also notice both adjectives are positive. Generally speaking, you won't use a negative and a positive adjective. It doesn't really make sense to say both attractive and a jerk, right? At least not with this. So yo, two separate adjectives, usually positive ones. Now, our last little grammar piece for today, we're going to talk about 快要, verb and le. This is how we can express that something is happening soon. We're literally saying fast or quickly will the verb le have happened or have completed. Let's look at some examples. 电视剧快要开始了。The TV show soon or quickly will start. 电视剧快要开始了。Next. 快要过新年了。Soon we will pass through the new year, or soon we will celebrate the new year. 快要过新年了。And lastly, 快要过我的生日了。Soon it will be my birthday, or soon we will have my birthday. Now note, in every single one of these cases, what we have happening is 快要, a verb and object of some kind, sometimes just a verb, and le. So the 快要 and le form a kind of grammar sandwich. And then we can optionally put a subject at the beginning, such as in the first example, where the TV show would start soon. That is all we have for today's grammar. Please take the time to review all of these sentences, maybe even try memorizing some of them, and I'll see you in class. As always, 加油!